Hello children, welcome back to the Vijara College Grade 5 Buddhism lesson. Let's see what are we going to learn today. Seeking the blessings of the triple gem. This is a new lesson children, so you don't have this lesson in your textbook. Seeking the blessings of the triple gem. As Buddhists, we are used to the custom of seeking blessing from the Tisarana before starting any activity. What is Tisarana? They are Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha. When do we take the blessings from Tisarana? We take the blessings from Tisarana in auspicious activities such as birth of a child, taking newborn baby outside after birth, a child taking first solid meals, a child reading letters for the first time, laying foundation to build a house and residing in a newly built house for the first time. Birth of a child. Birth of a child is considered as an auspicious event. Before the birth of the child, the parents would have gone to the temple and offered pujas seeking the blessings from the triple gem to have the child. They would have performed Bodhi Puja and also listened to Dhamma sermons, offered alms to Sangha, and by doing all these would have wished for a good healthy child. After having the child, they would go to the temple to redeem the vows taken by them. Taking the newborn baby outside after birth. Parents usually take the newborn baby to the temple to get the blessings from the Tisarana. Some people take the newborn baby to the temple in the village. Some people take the newborn baby to the temple of Tooth Relic, Jayasrima Bodhi Temple, Kalaniya Temple, or even to Adams Peak. A child taking first solid meal. Another auspicious activity carried out for an infant child is giving the first solid meal. An auspicious time is found for this purpose. Before giving the meal, offering to the triple gem is done. Another auspicious activity is cutting a lock of hair for the first time. A child reading letters for the first time. Reading letters for the first time is also done at auspicious time. This is mostly done in a temple. The chief monk reads out letters at an auspicious time after performing religious activity. They go to temple to offer pujas, offer alms to Sangha to get monks to chant Pirit, providing meals to children in children's home, and providing things to the needy are some other activities. Laying the foundation to build a house. There are some more activities done at auspicious time, such as laying a foundation stone to build a house, residing in a newly built house for the first time. Okay children, we have completed the lesson. Now let's see what we have learned today. We have learned how we can seek the blessings of the triple gem. What are the auspicious events, and also we have learned what we do at auspicious event. So finally, all these prove that as Buddhists, we seek blessings as a custom before starting any auspicious activity. It is our duty to continue these customs for the benefit of future generation. Okay children, let's see the activity. There are 4 questions which you have to answer in the Buddhism writing book. Before you answering the questions, go through the student note which is uploaded and copy the notes in your writing book and start writing the answers. Question number 1. Name the Tisarana. Question number 2. Name some activities done following auspicious time. Question number 3. Name some places where a newborn child is taken to seek blessing. Question number 4. Name something that you would like to do on your birthday. I hope you understood the lesson today. Okay children, we will meet again with a new lesson. Stay safe children. Thank you.